Horses out of Shogun. Pass the begin. G-Jet's Treasure. Chonang in the middle. Moving a party outside. My Power Special. Tara Let's. Jack King and trailing the group. Promise. Going along for the first turn. We have Shogun by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is My Power Special. Moving up now in third, Chonange, G-Jet's Treasure, Jack King. Then followed over by number 3, Promise. Taralets, they swing into the back. Shogun, she's 5 lengths in front of. Moving up now to take second is Chonange. My Power Special is running by Drell. Then followed by G-Jet's Treasure, Jack King. Promise, Taralets. And it's still Shogun by about 4 lengths. Then here comes My Power Special out trying to get closer alongside third Chonange, G-Jet's Treasure. Moving up Promise, down on the inside Jack King and Taralets. As they come down at the last 200, My Power Special, Chonange sorry outside. As they come down at the last 150, we have My Power Special still in front, Chonange sorry outside. Promise is running by Drell. My Power Special by about 2 lengths, moving up by Drell now. Promise, Chonange, entering the finish line. It's My Power Special. Promise, Chonange. Then comes Taralets, G-Jet's Treasure, Jack King.